Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of IFB 30 liters convection microwave oven. On the box you can see that some of the features of this microwave oven are mentioned, and here you can see the model number. It is 30BRC2, and along with the microwave you will also get a starter kit. Here is the starter kit. With the starter kit you will get a menu book, and inside the starter kit you can find two microsafe vessels which are plastic, and also you will get a idli maker using which you can prepare idlis using your IFB microwave. So without wasting any time, let's open the IFB microwave from the box. I bought this IFB microwave from Amazon for approximately 13,500. I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. On opening the box you can find this big thermocol. Let's remove the thermocol from the box. And here is the IFB microwave. It's very heavy, so you need to be careful while removing the microwave from the box. Here is a microwave oven. Let's try to remove the stickers from the door. Here you can see that there are stickers at the top and at the bottom. We need to remove that stickers. After removing the stickers, let's open the door, and inside you can see the accessories. Let's remove them carefully. There is no need to buy accessories immediately. You can make use of these accessories and you can use your IFB convection microwave oven. So that's it guys. Please do watch this video till the end and leave your feedback in the comment section. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.